Alright, today we're going to be learning about the arithmetic sequence formula and how to apply it to real-world situations. So, the sum of the first 5 terms of an arithmetic sequence is 625 and the sum of the first 10 terms is 100. Determine the sum of the first 15 terms. So, in order to solve this, we need to know the formula for an arithmetic sequence. So, let's write this formula down. So remember, S at n equals n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Alright, n represents the number of terms, a represents the first term, and d represents the difference between the terms. So, the sum of the first 5 terms is 625. So let's substitute 5 for n. So S at 5, sum of 5, equals 5 over 2 times 2a plus 4d, because n minus 1 is 4, 4d equals 625. And 5a plus 10d equals 625. So that's our first equation. In order to solve any of these values, we need 2 equations because there's 2 unknowns. So it also says that the sum of the first 10 terms is 100. So let's sub that in. S at 10 equals 10 over 2 times 2a plus 9d equals 100. And 10a plus 45d equals 100. So that's our second equation. So let's divide this by 2, so that we have 5a for both equations. So we divide both sides by 2. 5a plus 22.5d equals 50. So since we have 5a and 5a here, we can subtract these 2 equations. So this minus this to cancel out the a. So 5a minus 5a is 0. And then 12.5d equals negative 575. Alright, which means d equals minus 46. Negative 46. And since we know what d is, we can sub in this equation to find out a. So 5a equals 625 minus 10d, which is minus 10 times negative 46, which means a equals 217. So a is 217 and d is negative 46. So we know the first term is 217, and we know that each term subtracts by 46 every time. So now they want us to find out the sum of the first 15 terms. So let's substitute in 15 for n, 217 for a, and negative 46 for d to find out the sum. So S at 15 equals 15 over 2 times 2 times 217, which is a, plus 14 times negative 46, which is b, a d, and I said 15 equals, you should get negative 1,575. Therefore, the sum of the first 15 terms of this sequence is negative 1,575. So thanks to the mathematicians that derived this formula, we are able to find the sums of many different arithmetic sequences.